Do you ever feel a little unsteady on your feet? Maybe your hips ache after a walk, or it's getting harder to get up from the sofa. Well, you clicked this video because you're ready to do something about it, and you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple but powerful hip exercises that are designed specifically for people over 50. Whether you're dealing with stiffness, weakness, arthritis, or just want to move better, these exercises will help you feel stronger, more stable, and more confident. Here's what we're covering. So, exercise 1 is a gentle seated move to wake up weak hips. Exercise 2 is a standing exercise to boost your balance. And then exercise 3 is a powerhouse move to build strength where it matters most. And stick with me until the end because I'll explain how often to do this mini routine for the best long-term results, and why this one simple routine could be the key to keeping your independence. Before we get into it, if you're new here, I'm Gavin Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn and from the 10X Physio channel. This is where we bring you top tips and tricks to help you lead a healthier, more active life. We're specialists in helping people aged 50 plus stay pain-free, mobile and strong. Plus, stay out of the doctor's office. So if that sounds like something you need, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Let's talk quickly about why this matters. Your hips are your foundation. They control your walking, your standing, your stair climbing, even your posture. If they get weak, everything else suffers. Knees, back, balance. Weak hips lead to that side-to-side waddle, that hesitation before standing, and even falls, which we absolutely want to avoid. But the good news, strengthening your hips is simple, safe, and incredibly effective when done right. Let me show you how. We're going to start with our first exercise in a chair, and this is the seated hip march. It's great for beginners or anyone with hip pain or arthritis. Okay, so we're sitting here on a chair. We're going to sit up nice and tall. Feet are flat. Okay, all we're going to do is lift one leg just up in the air like so. Hold for 2 seconds and drop back down. Then we'll do the same thing over the other side, like so, and back down. And we're just going to just alternate each leg, like so. Hold for 2 seconds. And remember, we don't want to lean back as the leg lifts, okay? So we're staying up tall as that leg lifts. Don't worry about how high that leg lifts, okay? As long as you're lifting that leg and activating that muscle in the thigh. If you do have pain, just don't lift it as high. Remember, this move strengthens your hip flexors, which are key to our walking and also in preventing tripping. So that's our seated hip march. If you've already felt those muscles switch on, drop a quick comment below saying I did it. I'd love to hear how it felt for you, and let me know what other areas of the body you'd like me to cover next. Knees, back, balance. I'm here to help. And remember, our final exercise is a glute activating movement that you can do on your bed, and it could completely change how your hips support your spine and knees. So stay with me. So this is the standing side leg raise. So we're obviously standing up nice and tall. I have a chair here beside me just to help with balance. If you have a wall, you could also hold on to a wall as well. Okay, so up tall. Okay, we're going to just lift one leg up to the side like so, hold for 2 seconds, and then back down. We're going to lift back up to the side, hold for 2 seconds, and then back down. I'll just do one more. So we're lifting up, hold for 2 seconds, and back down. So once we've done 10 on one side, we'll swap over and do 10 on the other side for 2 to 3 sets. So remember, this exercise is really crucial for helping us get strength in and around these hips. It's working this glute medius muscle here, just right at the back. And so excellent for strength and balance and proprioception. So we're now onto the floor for our glute bridge. So from here, feet are flat, knees are bent, arms again just rest by your side. We are going to tuck a tailbone underneath, so lower back will flatten, and then we're peeling each vertebra up and away from the mat. So we lift that waist up towards the ceiling and rest onto the shoulder bridge. We're going to hold this for 2 to 3 seconds, and then we just come back down again. Okay, we do that again. So again, remember, tailbone tucks underneath. We're squeezing those buttock cheeks together. We're lifting up toward the ceiling there. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and then come back down. We'll just do one more here. We'll just tuck underneath, squeeze those buttock cheeks, press the heels. We're lifting up to the ceiling. Remember, this is really strengthening into these glutes muscles here. And then back down. Okay, and remember, you want to do 10 repetitions and 2 to 3 sets. Remember, we're strengthening these glutes, which are really important for strengthening into those hips. And that's our glute bridge. So when we pull that all together, that's your full stronger hips routine. So it's a seated hip march, which is 10 to 15 reps each side, 2 to 3 sets. You've got the standing side leg raise, which is 10 reps each side for 2 to 3 sets. And then you've got that glute bridge, which is 10 reps. You're going to hold each one for 3 to 5 seconds and then do 2 to 3 sets. Do this 2 to 3 times a week with rest days in between. So there's no equipment, it's joint friendly, and it will make a big impact on your mobility and your confidence. Want to make it more challenging over time? Add a light resistance band around your thighs for the bridges and the side leg raises. Try holding on to less support during the standing moves. Add a gentle walk before or after the routine for extra benefit. As your strength improves, your independence improves too. And remember, that's the goal. If you enjoyed this and want to keep progressing, check out this video next, which is Feel 10 years younger with this morning Pilates routine. So there's a link here just on the screen. And if you're local to Lisburn here in Northern Ireland or want expert help from anywhere, get in touch with us here at Gav Noble Physiotherapy. We're here to help you move better, feel better, and stay strong for life. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Gavin Noble from the 10X Physio channel. So until next time, stay strong, stay mobile, and take care of those hips. And remember, every Tuesday, we do release a new video. So hopefully I'll see you there.